Hello guys, this is Felix. Welcome to my new channel that's dealing with engineering things. So in this day we are going to discuss about the stress, the principle of stress. We are here to consider the title Engineering Wonders in Nature, decoding the secrets of spider's web. Welcome to exploration of the remarkable of wall stress analysis in nature. Today we unveil the, in, the intricate engineering of spider's web, a masterpiece of natural design that holds the invaluable insight of structural engineering. Let's consider this the spider's web, an impatient the emblem of precision and strength, showcase a remarkable stress analysis and principles at play. Let's dwell into the design and the uncover of science behind its structure integrity. The key to the spider's web lies in the ability to distribute stress evenly. Zinc, known for its exceptional tensile strength, form a foundation. Its unique molecular structure enables the, the web to withstand varying forces, the impact to prey to environment elements. Furthermore, the different spider species enjoy variety webs architects, adapting to their surrounding and the prey they intend to capture. Some wave radial patterns, while others construct intricate spiral design, the round one. Each structure serves a specific purpose, maximizing the web's efficiency in trapping prey and during environment pressure. Though, through the rain and wind, the spider's web demonstrates its resilience, flexing, flexing and stretching without breaking. Such adaptability highlights the synergy of a material properties and structural design, a testament to the ingenious application of stress analysis in nature. Let's see this. So, a scientist inspired by the spiderweb are using its principle for innovative engineering solution. The exceptional property of spider silk, such as its lightweight yet robust nature, has spurred research into developing advanced material for various industries, including aerospace, medicine. In conclusion, you can say the spider's web serves as a profound example of nature's immeasurable engineering prowess. By understanding stress analysis principle, you can not only gain insight into the resilience of natural structures, but also uncover potential avenues for groundbreaking technologies advancement. Thank you for joining me in this journey through the remarkable world of stress analysis in nature. Stay curious, keep exploring the wonders that surround us. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive more when I remove another videos. Bye.